Sweeping new lockdown restrictions have today been announced by the New South Wales government after 3 weeks of stay-at-home orders failed to curb the state's Delta COVID-19 outbreak. Let's take a look at where the situation stands. 111 new local infections were recorded today from a record of almost 82,000 tests. A man aged in his late 80s from southeastern Sydney has died, taking New South Wales' COVID-19 death toll to 59. Of the new cases, 83 are from southwestern Sydney, while up to 39 were infectious while in the community. The state's Premier Gladys Berejiklian says that figure is causing immense concern.
This number is stubborn and it won't go down. What we've seen during the last 3 weeks of the lockdown is that we have managed not to have the thousands of cases that would have resulted had we not gone into lockdown. So we've prevented the widespread of the virus. We've prevented thousands and thousands of people being exposed to the virus and getting infected. But what we haven't managed to do is really budge that stubborn number every day for the last few days where we need to quash this virus. It's not good enough for us to tread water, which is what we're doing now.
In an effort to rein in the outbreak, residents in 3 local government areas in Sydney's southwest have been banned from leaving their area for work. From midnight tonight, people in the LGAs of Fairfield, Liverpool and Canterbury-Bankstown will not be able to work outside their area. The only workers able to leave their homes in Fairfield, Liverpool and Canterbury-Bankstown are essential healthcare and emergency service staff. Aged care and disability workers are included in the exemption. For those that do leave their local government area, a COVID-19 test is required every 3 days, regardless of whether or not they have symptoms. Chief Health Officer Dr. Kerry Chant says the measures are necessary.
The reason we are focused on southwestern Sydney, we have focused on Sydney overall, but we've focused on southwestern Sydney because that is where the cases are coming from. That is a cause for more intense action in southwestern Sydney, but I should also say that the risk exists across Greater Sydney, and also the regions have to be incredibly vigilant if they've had any interactions, because it is necessary for key logistics, freight and other things to move. We are a very connected society, and so it is critical that everyone follows that awareness in the regional areas as well.
The state government has also announced major changes for retail premises in Greater Sydney, the Blue Mountains, Central Coast, Wollongong and Shell Harbour. From midnight, non-essential retail premises will be forced to close in-person business and can only operate via click and collect or take away. Shops that can still operate include supermarkets, pharmacies and chemists, petrol stations, car hire, financial institutions, hardware stores, agricultural and rural supplies and post offices. The government has also made the decision to ban all non-urgent construction work until the end of the month. Urgent repairs, such as for water or electricity problems, will still be permitted, but for all other tradespeople, it's tools down. All of the new measures will remain in place until the 30th of July.